What
Can
a
you sing
nice
happy
cake.
birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah!
Whoa!
Hip hip!
Blow candle.
Ah, blow candle. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Say hi na. Ayun, nagdagan-dagan na. Lunch break ko pala guys. It's now 2 o'clock ng hapon. And Paris has been a sukilala this morning. Paiyak-iyak talaga siya guys. So earlier, dinala siya ni Daddy Mike sa park. Tapos, naglakad-lakad sila just around the block. And yeah, she was super suki. Ang gusto niya talagang sumakay ng sasakyan. Sabi niya, car. I wanna get in the car. So kahit na...
Mommy, I made a body paddle.
Oh, did you make a muddy paddle?
See?
Kahit na wala tayong bibilhin sa shop talaga guys. Isasakay
One
natin
more
siya.
time.
One more time. Kasi walang childcare today. It's Monday. No school today, na?
I'm gonna go cut for you.
You've been a really naughty girl this morning, Baba. Come on now, let's go so we can go to the shop because it's cold. Come on. Daddy Mike is working, guys. After the 2 weeks leave, balik to work na naman siya. Tingnan mo si Madam. You wanna bring Mama's wallet? So we
No.
can pay? No, you're not going in there. Let's exit. Paris, here. Okay, kasunod ka sa exit, ha? You have to use the entrance, Baba.
Hi.
It's broken, anak.
Mommy, go.
Tingnan niyo siya, guys. Oh. Namurag kabalo.
Go fix it. Let's fix it.
There's no coins na. We need coins for this. Tingnan niyo kasi kita niya toys daw. You need $2, man.
Okay.
Oh, you don't have $2, Baba.
Mommy.
Wala, kuot pa more.
Okay.
Namurag i-check ko rin, wait.
Okay, Mommy.
Babe, what's inside?
Oh.
Do you have money in there?
Yes. No, Mommy. It's not time.
No.
Me fix.
Nak, dili mo sila gadawat og card. See, you need coins. Let's go get coins first.
Okay.
Okay, come down.
Come down.
Come down. We'll go get coins, okay?
Okay.
Bring the wallet so you have money. Go in.
It's got again.
That's pineapple.
This is good.
Yeah, that's right.
I got it.
Yeah, that's a house decoration. We don't need it, Baba. Come on, let's go get that bread for Daddy. Careful, you might break it, Bobby, huh? Dito, guys. Put it up.
Okay.
You want popcorn? Wow, that's a big popcorn, honey. Come on. Oh, this is what Daddy wants. Cheese and bacon roll.
Hi, me get it.
You hold it, okay? Put it in the basket properly.
Hey, Mommy, help.
Mommy help. Okay. Thank you. You carry the popcorn, okay? It's as big as you. Tingnan nyo kung ano nakita niya, guys.
Dinner.
Yeah, but you have popcorn already. You can only choose one.
No. Very good. For me.
Hi, follow me ka karon. You have to choose if you want popcorn or this. Which one would you like? Which one?
Mommy. Me hold it. After eat it.
Careful. Shush. Hi guys, dito na kami sa bahay and hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina nung nakauwi kami. Pero, guys, I'll show you something. Ding, 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 ding. Come here, Paris.
Look.
Are you excited? Yes. Show Tita. Show Tita first. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
What
Can you sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Hip hip.
Blow candle.
Ah, blow candle. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hooray! Guys, tignan niyo yung cake namin, guys. Oh, super bait ng kasamahan ni Daddy Mike sa trabaho. Siya yung gumawa nito, guys. Ayan. What sort of cake is this one na? Strawberry. And what's this one? Chocolate.
Do you like it?
Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, si Paris ay hindi na makapaghintay. Ayan. Hala. Sobrang cute, guys. Okay, here, this way. This way. This way. This is chocolate pala, guys. Tapos yung icing niya ay strawberry. Yeah, it's very, very nice, guys. You wanna try na? Wanna try, Daddy?
Yes, please. Can't wait.
Yes. So, binigay ito ng kasamahan ni
Is it
Daddy
yummy?
Mike sa, guys, sa trabaho. She's actually got like an Instagram page. Gumagawa dito siya nakatira sa Waverly. And gumagawa siya ng mga cakes and cookies and name it, guys. Marunong talaga siyang magluto. And if you check her Instagram page, ilalagay ko yung Instagram page dito sa screen. Kung i-check nyo, guys, sobrang dami na niyang nagawa. So, very hustler na talaga siya pagdating sa baking and all. And ito try na namin. Si Paris ang magde-decide. What do you think, honey?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Chocolate?
Chocolate?
Wow! Yummy! Who's the lucky girl? Si Paris hindi pa rin natapos sa kanyang happy birthday. So sa mga viewers natin, guys, dito sa Melbourne, if ever na nandito kayo malapit sa southeast area, just, ooh, go visit her, guys, Instagram page. Yeah, she does everything. Like, customize, if ever, like, birthday ng anak nyo, 2 years old, 3 years old, then, yeah, she can always customize to your needs or to your liking. Give some to Mommy, Nakbi. Give some to Mommy, B. Wow. Try natin, guys, sa...
Daddy, we get for me.
Oh.
Get for me.
Taste test.
Mmm!
Here's his candle.
Yes. Hindi ko pa pala birthday, guys, ha? Birthday ko next month. Advanced lang. Sobrang bait lang ng kasamahan ni Daddy Mike sa trabaho. Mmm. Yes. Is it Mama's birthday na?
Yes.
Thank you for singing happy birthday. Thank you very much. Mmm. It tastes very fresh, guys. Newly baked lang siguro talaga to. No? Paris is loving it.
We
Mmm.
take a sabi ah?
Yeah. You can eat it.
Take a sa?
And very moist din ang kanyang base niya. Ano na?
Finger?
Mmm. The finger.
Hey, finger fast. There's a finger.
Love it kasi hindi siya masyadong sobrang matamis talaga. Mmm. Yummy.
Okay,
Oh.
right.
Yummy?
Do you like it, Paris?
Thumbs up, babe. Thumbs up. Yeah. Thumbs up. Alam niyo kung anong problema lang nito, guys? Is that sobrang laki niya. O paano namin ito mauubos ngayon?
Hey,
Hmm?
look, my finger.
Your finger. How are we gonna finish it? Pero kasi fresh naman siya, guys, so it can stay in the fridge for maybe a couple more days.
Oh,
Huh, Paris? What did you do now?
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Paris. It's yum. Blow the candle, Baba. Mmm.
My little chair.
Tingnan nyo guys, oh.
My little chair, Mama. Hello, chair.
Sobrang malaman talaga yung kanyang ano
Yes,
dito, hindi siya yung
Mama.
parang hangin lang.
It's a chair, Mommy.
Oh, yay! Yummy, Paris. Is it your birthday na?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a my birthday.
Wow, so cute guys. Oh, sobrang ganda din ng kulay.
Show, neon toast. Neon toast.
Kaya pagyabag na.
Hat. Show, neon toast. Neon toast. Hat. Show, neon toast. Neon toast. Eyes on ear.
Mahinay mo lagi ka na. Yeah.
Apple.
There's Snow White. You're Snow White. Where's your Christmas tree? Get your Christmas tree. Let's go in the car.
No. I'm pushing.
You're pushing? Can you bite the apple? Uy. Mama bite for you babe, first.
Yeah. My itchy. Ah.
Bite the apple.
Hi.
Tita is here.
Mommy here.
Uy, is that your Christmas tree?
I eat.
Don't eat your Christmas tree. It's very hard.
In the apple.
Come on na, let's go. Hi guys! So it's now 5:15 and nandito kami sa sasakyan ni Baby Paris kasi may nabili ako from Facebook Market and luckily kasi pwede nang bumiyahe more than 5 kilometers. So pipick upin namin guys and I think it's around 20 to 25 minutes drive from here. And sinama ko na si Baby Paris guys kasi si Daddy Mike, alam nyo, super stress siya today kasi Paris has been, oh my god, I can't believe it guys. Paris has been like, I don't know, just being difficult today. She's crying. You've seen the cake before guys, like she smashed it. Like nilagay ni Daddy Mike sa kusina and then Paris was just like cutting it. Kasi both Daddy Mike and I are working today. Kaya yun, hindi namin talaga naibibigay yung atensyon na kinakailangan ni Paris. Kaya yun, parang nag-rebelde ang ating baby girl today. So ayan guys, nakauwi na tayo at hindi natapos yung chika natin kanina sa sasakyan kasi nag-memory card full na naman tayo. Kailangan ko na talagang bumili ng bagong memory card. Kasi palagi na lang siya napupuno, guys. Yung ating memory card. Anyways, it's now 6:30 ng gabi. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung binili ko from Facebook Market. So, dalawa to sila, guys. And, ayan. They are both tops or shirts. Ayan. At tingnan nyo ang kanilang brand, guys. Oh, Cook High. So, it's actually, a well-known brand dito sa Australia. And mind you guys, these are brand new pala. Hindi pala ito nasuot pa ni owner. Kaya binili ko guys. Ayan. So red and then this, I don't know, is it beige pink? Pero meron siyang pagka-pink guys. Ayan. I don't know about me but I am loving basics recently. Kaya palagi akong bumibili ng mga basics guys. And then pagka-uwi namin dito sa bahay, ito yung nakita ko guys. Natanggap ni Daddy Mike kanina. I bought this maybe a month ago from AliExpress. And this is for Paris. Pangtulog niya. Nandito pa lang ating baby girl guys. So kung nakita nyo. Oh, ayan oh. Oh. Naglalaro. Yun na nga yung chika ko sa inyo kanina guys. So Paris has been really suki since this morning. And iyakin lang talaga siya today guys. And si Daddy Mike ay na-stress. Kaya, dinala ko na lang si Paris kanina sa pag-pick up para maiwan mo na si Daddy Mike dito makapagpahinga ang kanyang utak. Kasi si Paris, nakita nyo yung cake kanina guys. So, yung ginawa ni Paris, di ba may ano sa taas, yung icing. Sobrang sarap talaga ng cake, guys. Like, no joke, guys. Sobrang sarap talaga ng cake. And then si Paris, yung ginawa niya, anong tawag dito sa Tagalog? Uy, basta kinuha ni Paris lahat yung mga icing, tapos ginawa sa kamay, tapos ginaganon-ganon niya, tapos hinawakan niya yung couch, hinawakan niya yung bowl ni Daddy Mike, lahat na lang hinawakan niya, guys. Kaya everywhere mess talaga. Kaya yun, inalis ko muna siya sa paningin ni Daddy Mike kasi best si Daddy Mike. Anyways, ito pala yung super cute. I think malaki pa siya kay Paris, guys, pero pang tulog to siya for summer. Ito, pink siya na may mga strawberries na print and isang set siya. Ayan. Ayan. Nak, do you like this one, Nak? Oh, hala, hindi daw niya like, guys. No, you don't like it, Nak? Papa, why? You're sad? Can you tell Mama, please, why you're sad? Come, let's talk. Can you tell Mama why my baby girl is sad? Huh? Can you tell Mama? Why is my baby girl sad, Baba? Kisa si Mama. Kisa na Mama. Why is my baby sad, Mom? Ayan siya, guys. So, sabi niya, I'm sad. You're sad, baby. Don't be sad, my love. Don't be sad, okay? Okay, Mama loves you, man. Mama loves you, man. Mommy and Daddy loves you. Dito kami sa kwarto, ang dilim. Ang ating baby girl ay umiiyak kasi gusto niyang pumunta ng... Where do you wanna go? To the beach? Gusto niya pumunta ng beach, kaya hinayaan ko na nalagyan niya ako ng cream, guys. O, kasi umiiyak talaga siya. Nanonood kasi si Daddy Mike ng, ng vlog ng yung mga puti iba na nasa Siargao. Tapos si Paris talaga, guys, nung makita niya yung tubig, straight away, sabi niya, I wanna go there, Mommy, I wanna go. Nak, no? Sabi ko nga, pag okay na magbiyahe, anak, then we'll go. What are you having, Nak?
Eating chocolate.
Chocolate. Ito ang snack ni Paris, guys.
Johnny!
Johnny. Paris.
Yay, Mama.
Eating monkey bars.
No, Mommy.
Telling lies.
No, Mommy.
Open your mouth. Mama will open for you, babe. Oh, there you go. What do you say to Mommy? Thank you, Mommy. Ah, Suki Lala ang baby. Yeah. Tumulong pala si Paris, guys, kay Daddy Mike kasi si Daddy Mike gumawa na naman nung tawag ito yung ice cream ba na gawa sa mango and blueberries and strawberries. Blend niya. Tapos ginawa nilang ice cream. Nak na? Ayan. Pasensya na kung maingay, guys, ha, kasi yung heater kasi naka-on. Sobrang ginao. Tapos sa atin yun, nakaganito pa. Sinong hindi giginawin? Tapos yung ating nursery rhyme sa TV, ayan, kay Baby Paris. Kaya sobrang noisy talaga. What is that, na? Yaki? What's yaki? Ito pala yung ating positive quote of the day. Ayan. So it says, I am loved, I am loved, I love. Ayan. I-ano natin yung vlog natin dito, guys, kasi si Baby Paris ay mag-childcare bukas and it's nearly 9 o'clock. So ipapatulog na natin siya after nito. Thank you very much for being with us today. Sobrang short lang ng ating vlog, and again, walang masyadong ganap, but you know, still appreciate your time watching our videos, guys. Maraming salamat sa hindi pag-iwan sa amin. And now we are just going to do a quick shout out, and the first shout out goes to Lisan Bansil from Pampanga, and also Bansil and Marie family from Imos, Cavite. Shout out to Waverly VIC Valcorza, and also sa sister-in-law daw niya sa Balingasag, uy, musilingan, Alin Valcorza. Shout out to Janzi Pinay, Australia, Clarice Torres, Lynn Ahmad, Gina Sangila, Joanne Owano, Susana Webb from Arizona, USA, Rosana Hidalgo, Chari Salazar, Christine Namayan, Leia Tenerife. Shout out to Shirley Cerillo, Helen Abiertas, Annabel Sarino, Lori Lee Absede, Patricia Mondoyo, Monalisa Portugal, Margaret Colleen Sumaway, Arin Panorel, Maricar Castaneda, and 4J Apolinario. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye-bye.